Taryn.
Hey, Taryn, I may have missed out on it. There was a black 2021 Ford Explorer ST. I don't see it on the website anymore. It had 15,000 miles. I just want to see if you still had it, please.
Let me see.
Salesperson or order taker?
White.
This one was black.
It was black.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, it probably sold. It was probably super cheap, so.
Who would have the pleasure speaking?
There's a lot that could be going on right now, right?
He matched your name.
So there's all this dead time. Dead times.
Call that
Black
number.
ST.
Yeah, it's all right. You know, I'm not in a huge hurry.
One, and I know I got a white one.
I'll keep poking around on your website. I'm not in a huge hurry, so all good, sir. I appreciate
What
it.
was it priced at?
This one, let me look. How much are they? I think this one was like 26.5.
Ooh.
Yeah, it might have been a
That
misprint.
wasn't us. That
Okay.
I swear, I bet you. I think it was probably
Oh, really?
with that type of price and that. Yes, because they are a lemon buyback store for Ford.
Oh.
Sometimes that's why you can see extreme deals like that on vehicles. I've known their history for years. I've been in this area and worked at this store for almost 15 years, and for the Ford, I'm not knocking what they do, but they do a lot of their vehicles that they buy, or if you look at their Carfax and stuff, the title has been deemed as salvage because it's a lemon law buyback, which means, Ford couldn't figure out exactly what was wrong with that vehicle, so they deemed it as a lemon. However, the vehicle still functions and works and everything. It's just, you'll know from buying it that cheap. That's why it's that cheap, because I can promise you there's not an ST in this country that you can buy 2 or 3 years old with that amount of miles for that cheap. Because heck, I got a 21 here with 60,000 miles, and that's still almost 40 grand.
Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, I just went off my notes, so I can jump on the website. Maybe it was from them. And, I'll let you know. I really appreciate all the information and stuff, though.
Yes, sir. And you only look for an ST line? Because I have a lot of nice pre-owned.
No, I mean, I'm pretty flexible. It's for my wife, and she told me to call on this one, but I think I called the wrong store. But, we're flexible. We would take a non-ST.
Because I have some with, I've got some here with 12,000 miles. I mean,
oh, nice.
Limited 22 model.
Oh, sweet.
Now it's priced at 39,000, but I mean, that's still basically a brand new vehicle compared to buying a brand spanking new one that's going to be $50-some thousand.
Yeah. No, something like that could possibly work for sure.
Yeah, and I also have a black limited if she's interested in that. I have a 22 black limited with 9,000 miles on it. That's a one owner.
Oh, awesome. Are these all on the website too?
They are. They are on my website, and they're priced. That one's priced at $37,900.
Oh, nice.
That one is.
Yeah.
With 9,000 miles. Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense if considering all the stuff you're telling me. So.
Yeah, and I mean, like I said, by all means, do your due diligence and research and stuff. But I mean, exactly. But if something changes, definitely give us a call, because our vehicles come with a lifetime powertrain warranty too.
Oh, cool.
With purchasing with us for as long as you own the vehicle.
Nice.
So that's something to consider too. To do business with us also.
Yes, sir. I very, very much appreciate it.
All right, sir. Well, if you need anything else, I'm one of the sales managers here, and give me a call back and let's put something together, man, because I'll make it worth your while if you give me the opportunity.
Much appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hey, yes, sir.
Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Great guy. I would love to buy a car from that guy. But what time am I coming in?
No.
Was I hard on him? No.
Dude, he didn't even ask for your name.
No name, no number. What am I driving now? What's the email?
He didn't ask for the appointment.
He is a really, really nice guy. And that's probably why he's in the position he's at in life. A lot of times, all you got to do is be a nice person in sales. He didn't have a call guide in front of him, though, didn't go through all the stuff. And if he was sitting in this class right now, he would say, what? I always ask for the appointment. I always get the phone. That's the manager. Super nice guy. How long you say he's been doing this for?
15 years.
Yeah.
Said what he said.
Somebody calls. So if it's no big deal to me, it's no big deal to them. Just like we were talking about in class. You're calling on the 2021 Ford Explorer. That is
Awesome.
you definitely called the.
Right place.
Let me do this. I'm going to check on that Ford Explorer for you. It's not going to take me long at all. And while I'm checking on that Explorer, I could also check on other stuff that's like it too. You're looking for just 2021s or just nice vehicles in that range? And you expand the inventory. What he said was, no, I don't have it. You called on a lemon, but would you take this one? You see the difference? It's just, he was thinking car deal, not appointment. Huge difference.